here's our turnips. They're our golden turnips. Need to thin them out a little more. Here's our mesclun mix, which was actually seeded compost. Remember, we mixed it together in a seed pack, mixed that into a wheelbarrow compost, dumped that out as a mulch on the bed, and this is what happens. So I always like to do that. It's a pretty good deal. And you can get several cuts out of this before it starts to bolt or not be good. You may have to sacrifice this broccoli, but that's going to be our squash mound. And of course, this will be our one and only harvest of this little area. But around the edges, the margins of the squash mound, it'll continue to produce. And what I got here is some compost, freshly sifted out of the pile. You want a fairly wide base. And like I said, I'm gonna let this warm up in the sun tomorrow. I'm gonna come out, water it in the morning, let it warm up all day, and then plug those zucchini or patty pan seeds in.